Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So it's another haul. The first thing I got was this white shirt and it had like this really nice hood and it said girl on it and this really cute zipper and it was really soft from a very nice material. And it was pink from the inside, like the hood was pink, which I really liked about it. And it was like a very pale pink. You can't really see that much, but I really liked it, and I love the fact that it was white. Okay, so for pants, I got these Fila pants, and they're like joggers, and they're low waisted, and I just like them because they were beige and pink. This next one is just like a normal pink shirt. It's really basic, not very Y2K, but I really liked it because of the shade of pink and because it would look good with different outfits and stuff. I also really like the lines on them, like the details. Even though it's basic, it's still pretty cool. Okay, so this next one is like this nice green, like a more olive green, I guess. And I think it says something like fabulous since 1960s. I don't know. I wasn't even born, but whatever. I really like this one because it has like a very nice V-neck, and also the material is actually really nice and soft and warm. And yeah, my favorite part is definitely the V-neck. And also the color. It's a really pretty color. Okay, so next are these butterfly jeans. They are kind of tight, but they do fit. They fit me pretty well. I really like them. I'm gonna have to get used to them, but I do really like them. Okay, so these next ones are jeans too, and they're a more dark blue, which I really like, and they're quite simple. They don't really have any like crazy detail or any whatsoever. But yeah, so the last two things is the first thing is this hat that I really like. It has a cat on it. You can't really see it that much, but I love the pom poms and I love it. This next one has to be my favorite.